on cam. Udah aku mulai.
Cid.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, all friends. Here we are from Group 4. We want to present the result of our discussion or our product, and that's about fried meatballs or basreng. But before it, it's better if I introduce the member of our groups. They are Lambok Sinaga, Deborah Pane, Gracia Dari, Lydia Purba, Greta Simanjuntak, Angie Siitek, Keisha Simanjuntak, and Citra Nenggolan. So let's just start the presentation, and the first slide will be read or explained by our friends. Keisha Simanjuntak, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Name of business brand, Basreng Crunchy. The address brand, Saknawalu Street, number 4, Pematang Siantar. Number phone, 0823 26144 23155. Okay, the name and address of owner. The first, Lambok Sinaga, Asahan Street, Street 1, Pematang Bandar, Deborah Pane, Melati Block A4, Street number 2, Gracia Dari Tobawan, Street number 8, Pematang Siantar, Lydia Purba Asahan Gereja HKBP, Street Batu 4, Greta Simanjunta Asahan Street, kilometer 4, Angie Tanah Jawa, Keisha Simanjunta Ragi Hidup, Street number 5, Citra Nenggolan, Sidamani. Okay, information about the business carried out. Our line of business is in the field of homemade culinary production. In the bracket, the process of making product made at home, namely fried meatballs, which is one of the snacks that is delicious to enjoy it while relaxing. In order for our plain business to run, we must first have business capital. To marketing, we will promote our product in various ways, such as direct promotion with people around us, and then using global social media platform such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and others. Our aims and objectives for establishing this business are: first, train independent and cultivate an entrepreneurial spirit. 2. The second, open job opportunities. Third, establish good relation with consumer. And fourth, gaining profit and profit.
Okay, I'll continue. Background. Fried meatballs are foods that are processed from meat, be it beef, buffalo, lamb, goat, or fish. This meatball is already known by the wider community, both children and adults to the elderly. Because meatballs have a delicious and savory taste, they are often used as a side dish when eating rice or eaten together with noodles. Making meatballs in principle is very easy and simple, so that it can be done within the scope of the household and the scope of small industries that can create jobs and increase the number of entrepreneurs in managing livestock products and optimizing the use of livestock resources. Besides the delicious taste, these meatballs, of course, also contain lots of protein and unsaturated fats, which are good for health. Currently, around the city of Pematang Siantar, especially in around the no man's land area, we have found a lot of itinerant meatball traders with varied flavors. Therefore, we want to produce processed products that are different from other products, judging from the outer texture of the large meatball resembling a tennis ball. It is the main thing of this product in order to attract buyers to try and enjoy fried meatballs. And the next is vision and mission. The first is vision, empower superior human resources and be able to compete in the area of globalization, be a highly dedicated and responsible person. And the second is mission. For the first is foster entrepreneur spirit. Second is open new job opportunities. And the third is serving the community or consumers as best as possible with excellent service. And the next is location. The location choose is a strategic place on Sangnawalu Street number 4, Pematang Siantar, because it is not far from the city center. The location is also right in front of the HKBP Nomensen Foundation, which is where many students and are found. And the next is room or place needed. The business we run is a homemade product, so the room or place we use is in the house of one of the members of the Basring business owner, our Basring franchise. The next is operational time. The time to carry out Basring franchise business service start from I repeat again. The time to carry out Basring franchise business service start from 11 until 18 with every day. And the next is promotion concept. We make advertisements online on the social media of business owners and our social media brands so that they can be reached by the wider community. Then we do a mouth to mouth promotion to the people around us. In this way, we are optimistic that the products we market will be sold and reach the profit target. Okay, the next slide will be continued by our friends.
And the next is the place need to make our basreng. The place we need is one house of the member of this group 4. And next, operational time. We will open in every day from 11 o'clock until 6 o'clock in every day. Next. Promotion concept. About how to promote our product is we will use our social media for our member, and then we will try to make some social media for our product, maybe about Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook, and etc. Next. And then consumer target. So for the consumer target, we think that all person will like our food because it is so suitable to enjoy for old people or young people because it is a unique food and it is delicious. Next. And next will be continued by my friend.
Industry analysis, business futures perspective. Culinary business is a long-lasting business in the sense that it always exists and exists from time to time. This is because people always need food to consume. So we believe that our efforts will survive and progress. Competition on analysis. Based on the result of the exciting survey, that around the location of the place of business that we will run, there is still no similar type of business, namely fried new meatballs. Next slide, Luke. Next slide, please. Market segmentation to enter. Bakso goreng is a unique alternative food product because of the Basreng product segmentation, which is an alternative food lover. So we are optimistic about the business that we will run because the main target of our product is alternative food lovers in all circle of society. Next slide. Business description. Produce. Basreng is a healthy snack, delicious and suitable to take when traveling. This basreng consists various types of fresh meat and fish which are mashed and then given the spices that have been provided. The spices garlic, onion, pepper, salt, and flavorings that have been mashed and put together. Basreng is very suitable for traveling and suitable to be eaten with friends or family while chatting. We hope that our business will grow. With this, we want to create a food business, namely the Basreng. Food business to be developed into a big business and can become a healthy snack that is loved by many people. Next slide. Next slide, please. Personil, name of business owners. The first, Lambo Sinaga, Deborah Pane, Gracia Dari, Greta Simanjuntak, Lydia Purba, Angie Sihite, Keisha Simanjuntak, and Citra Nenggolan. Next, continue by my friend.
Okay, I'll continue. Material and tools. For the first, material. In material, beef, buffalo, lamb, goat or fish in the bracket snapper, catfish, skipjack tuna, tapioca flour or palm, sago and wheat flour species in the bracket garlic, red, fried onions, pepper, salt, seasoning, and others, chicken egg. 19. Materials. Material, knife, 4 pieces, basin, 3 pieces, stainless steel pot, 2 pieces, scalers, 2 pieces, hot stove, 5 pieces, blender, 2 pieces, steam, 2 pieces. Making process. Step 1. Fish or meat that has been filtered and separated from the spines, head, tail, and bones is then washed. Fish or beef meat is then ground or crushed. After that is mixed with species that have been mashed until the species are completely evenly distributed in the dough. In this milling, don't forget to add tapioca flour and ice cubes. The aim is to add water the dough so the dough doesn't dry out during the milling process. Step 2. After grinding, the meatball dough is made into small balls. In printing, you can use your hand with a spoon or use a printing mechanic. After that, prepare a pan to boil the dough. In this boiling, it does not need a lot of water, just enough. At the time of boiling, the water temperature should be 80 degrees of cooking water, not yet boiling, in order to obtain an even cooking of fish balls or meatballs. Boil the meatballs for uh, 15 minutes, or if the meatballs float on the surface of the water, that's a, that's a sign that, that the meatballs are cooked. Then remove and drain it until cold. I'll continue to by fan.
Okay, I will continue. Step 2. After grinding the meatball, dough is made into small ball. In printing, you can use your hand with a spoon or use a printing machine. After that, prepare a pan to boil the dough. In this boiling, it doesn't need a lot of water. Just now, at the time of boiling, the water temperature should be 80, 80 degree of cooking water, not yet boiling. In order to obtain an even cooking of fish, balls or meatballs, boil the meatball for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or when the balls float on the surface of the water. That's a sign that the meatballs are cooked. Then remove and drain until cold. Next slide. Step 3. After the fish or meatballs are cooked, you can pierce them with one skewer consisting of 4 meatballs per skewer. Step 4. The meatball that have been skewered earlier before being sold the customer are fried first by mixing into the egg. After being fried, the meatballs are seasoned with sauce and soy sauce. The meatballs are ready for consumption by customer. Next slide. Product or material source. For the source of raw material and toppings, we get them from Horas Market, Pematang Siantar. Next slide. Strength. First, the taste is distinctive, sweet, spicy, savory, and delicious. Second, affordable price. Third, made from natural ingredients which are certainly not dangerous for consumption. Weakness. Product durability cannot be so long. Second, cannot be consumed by people with certain diseases. Opportunity. Snack are an alternative choice to accompany a relaxing time. Second, public interest in culinary is very high. Third, first, more and more people are getting creative every day, making similar food with new flavor. Second, lack of public interest because of the spicy taste. Okay, next we'll continue by my friends.
And next will be continue by Deborah.
Okay. Pricing, raw material type, selling fees, amount 5 kilogram, unit price 13 rupiah, total 115. Beef, amount 5 kilogram, unit price 14 rupiah, and total 20. Tapioca flour, amount 5 kilogram, unit price 7 rupiah, total 35 rupiah. Garlic 1 kilogram, unit price 25 rupiah, total 25 rupiah. Fried onions 1 kilogram, unit price 25 kilogram, and total 25 kilogram. Cooking oil 10 kilogram, unit price 10 hundred, in total 100 rupiah. Pepper kilogram, unit price 15 rupiah, total 800 rupiah. Salt 7 packs, unit price 100, total 7 rupiah. Sauce amount 20 kilogram, unit price 10 rupiah, total 20. Snickers 3 kilogram, unit price 20 rupiah, total 16 rupiah. Gas amount 2 tubes, unit price 20 rupiah, total 40 rupiah. Asoy plastic 5 packs, unit price 300, total 70. White plastic kilogram, amount 3 kilogram, unit price 25, and total 75 rupiah. Soy sauce 8 bottles, unit price 10 rupiah, and total 18 rupiah. Fried tofu 100 pieces, unit price 1400, total 14 rupiah. And total raw material cost or day 1,072 rupiah. Transport free 15 rupiah.
Transportation.
Initial. Ah?
Aku Kak. Transportation free, 15,000 rupiah. Initial capital, 1,500,000 rupiah. In the bracket, the combined result of 8 members, 187,500 with 8 equals 1,500,000 rupiah. Gross profit in the bracket Basreng Sales per day 800 stitches times 2,000 equals 1,600,000 rupiah. The total sales of 800 sticks is equal to 2,600,000 rupiah. Net profit equals gross profit less in the bracket basic materials plus transportation. Net profit equal to 1,600,000 rupiah less 1,060,200 plus 15,000 rupiah. Net profit sama dengan 1.600.000 rupiah sampai 1.077.000 rupiah equals 1.600.000 less. Net profit 523.000 per hari. Net profit per month sama dengan 523.000 rupiah kali 30 hari sama dengan 15.690.000 rupiah. Net profit per year sama dengan 523.000 kali 365 hari sama dengan 190.895.
Next, please.
Laba bersih sama dengan laba kotor kurang bahan pokok tambah transport. Laba bersih sama dengan 1.600.000 kurang 1.062.000 tambah 15.000. Laba bersih sama dengan 1.600.000 kurang 1.077.000. Laba bersih sama dengan 523.000 rupiah per hari. Laba bersih per bulan sama dengan 523.000 kali 30 hari sama dengan 15.690. Laba bersih per tahun sama dengan 523.000 kali 365 hari sama dengan 190.895. Kesimpulan, berdasarkan uraian di atas dapat disimpulkan bahwa dalam memilih suatu usaha perlu mengetahui terlebih dahulu berbagai macam hal yang berhubungan dengan usaha yang didirikan. Seperti mengetahui peluang usaha, lokasi yang strategis, pemasaran produk, dan aspek-aspek lain yang berkenaan dengan pendirian usaha, sehingga usaha yang akan dijalankan dapat berjalan dengan baik. Menurut kami, ini usaha yang dapat berkembang dan akan mencapai keberhasilan. Kami sangat yakin bahwa usaha ini akan maju terus dan terus berkembang karena dilakukan oleh orang-orang yang mempunyai kualitas dalam menjalankan setiap pekerjaan. Kami sadar bahwa usaha ini tak akan berkembang pesat, tapi kami akan terus berjuang untuk menjalankan dan mengembangkan usaha kami ini.
Okay, sir and all friends, that's all about our presentation for today. And if we have any mistaken, please forgive us. And the last, we say thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.